Hello everyone, my name is Renata Hutasoit with NPM number 2341101, Management Class 23. Here I will explain a little about organizational design in more detail in the role of stakeholders in organizational design. Let's read it until the end. What is organizational design? Organizational design is about how a company is structured to achieve its goals. It involves deciding how to arrange people, process, and research so that everything works well together. Three key elements in this process are stakeholder, management, and ethics. The role of stakeholders. Stakeholders are people or groups who have an interest in what the organization does. They can be number one, internal stakeholders. These include employees and managers who work within the organization. They help shape how the organization operates. Number two, external stakeholders. These are people outside the organization, like customer, supplier, investor, and the community. They influence decision and can affect the organization success. The role of management. Management is responsible for making sure the organization runs smoothly. They plan, organize, lead, and control research to meet the organization goals. Next, key function of management. Number one, planning. Planning is setting goals and deciding how to achieve them. Organizing. Organizing is arranging research and tasks to implement the plan. Leading to motivating and guiding employees to work toward the goals. And Controlling is monitoring progress and making adjustments as needed. Why management is important? Number one, good management helps create a clear structure that makes it easier for everyone to understand their roles. Number two, manager help ensure that the organization adapt to change in the environment, such as market trend or new regulation. The importance of ethics. Ethics refers to the moral principle that guide behavior in the organization. It's about doing the right thing and being responsible. Okay, ethical principle. Number one, corporate social responsibility. Organization should consider their impact on social and the environment. This includes being sustainable and treating employees fairly. Number two, ethical decision making. Managers should make decisions that are not only profitable but also fair and just. Why ethics matter? Number one, ethical practice build trust with stakeholders, which can lead to better relationship and a positive reputation. Number two, organizations that prioritize ethics are more likely to such success in the long run. Challenge. Sometimes there may be pressure to prioritize profit over ethical consideration. Organizations need to find a balance. Case study: the role of stakeholder in organizational design. Starbucks. Background: Starbucks is a global coffee house chain known for its premium coffee and unique customer experience. The company has successfully integrated input from stakeholders into its organizational design, contributing to its growth and brand loyalty. Starbucks involves various stakeholders in its organizational design process. First, customers are a primary focus. Starbucks actively collects feedback from customers through survey and social media to understand their preferences. Second, employees reference to as partners also play a crucial role. Starbucks encourages employees to share their ideas and feedback. Strong programs like partner voice. Employees can express their opinion and workplace issues and suggest improvement. Third, suppliers are an integral part of Starbucks organizational design. The company collaborates with coffee farmers and suppliers to ensure ethical sourcing. Additionally, Starbucks is commitment to engaging with local communities. Through initiatives like the Camp Community Store program, the company supports local non-profits and community development. This demonstrates that Starbucks is not only focused on profit but also on making a positive social impact. Finally, stakeholders are also considered. Starbucks regularly provides information about the company performance and strategy, direction through updates and reports. Feedback from shareholders is taken into account in the decision-making process. Impact on organizational design. By prioritizing customer feedback, Starbucks has designed its store and menu offerings to enhance the customer experience. The welcoming atmosphere and personalized service have become hallmarks of the coffee chain. Employee involvement in decision making has led to high job satisfaction and lower turnover rates. This participatory culture reflects in the organizational structure which encourage collaboration and open communication. The commitment to sustainable practice driven by supplier input has built Starbucks' reputation as a social responsibility company. The focus on community engagement has also shaped Starbucks store location and community initiatives, making the summary, effective organization design involves understanding the roles of stakeholders, management, and ethics. Thank you. Goodbye, guys.